So, welcome back in the garage. If you're new to the channel, my name's Sean and this is SJG Custom. I'm restoring an Astra GTE 2.0 16 valve, as you can see there. This is all the metal I've chopped off so far. So 2 years today, when I first started the channel, I want to say a big thank you for every single one of you for your support out there. I really do much appreciate it. It's been a great journey, so we'll carry on with the journey. So what I want to do is show you this new camera I've got, which I'm now holding up. It's going to be an absolute game changer for me and my channel. So I'm going to show you now. I'll put it on the tripod and show you. Look at that bad boy, absolutely buzzing for this. DJI Action 5 Pro, amazing. This little camera on the front is going to be an absolute game changer for me because I can see what's going on when I'm filming instead of coming around the back and always looking on the back to see if it's recording, so I can see what's going on. But yeah, big screen on the back here, that's amazing, absolutely amazing. So a big shout out to my father-in-law David Holiday for buying this for me to help my channel. So absolutely buzzing. Let's get filming, let's get rolling. So just a little update. In the last video we fabricated this bit here to match this panel here, welded up the other bracket what was rotten, so I've done that bit as well. Like I say, we're going to be on hold because of the rad situation. I have bought a new rad, an alley one with little fans, so I'm pretty happy with that. That's going to come very soon, so then I can crack on with this. I'm now going to take you over to the other side to show you this, what I'm going to do next. So I'm going to come back to this A-pillar and we're going to attack this. I have made a bit of a school error. There was a bit of box section on here, what had the bolts in, what went into the hinges to get that back in line. For some reason I used the box section for something else and I cut them off, so that's messed that idea up of trying to get that back in line. But what I've done is I put this hinge panel back in, the one I fixed a few videos ago. It's back in here now and I've spot welded it just in a few places to keep it in line. So what I'm going to do is get the door on, and then what I'll do is I'll put this panel, slide this panel in behind, get the hinges in and maybe get it in place. That's sort of half the plan, or maybe get it in here first and see where we're sort of playing maybe. We'll see. We'll go from there. We'll put the door on like I say and then we'll go from there. Right, I apologise, it's a bit windy out here, but anyway, this is what I've been doing. I've been tack welding this in place. Got this all good now. The gap's good up the top, as you can see down there. The only thing is here, it's a little bit close at the top there, but I can sort that out after. And this gap here is a little bit big. I can't go too far back because of this wing here is going to be too far away, so there is a little trick. I can sort all this out afterwards, but the most important bit is to get all this lined up here exactly like that, so I'm pretty good with that. So all I've got to do now is come down here and weld all this in. I have put a bit of metal behind here under this bit, as you see I've spot welded it on. I've done it all off camera, so there's a bit to weld to that ain't going to go all blow holes through it and stuff. So yeah, so that's what I've done. So this one ain't, it's a little bit narrow, this one, and that's got a little bit up the top there, but I mean once the door comes out that one's pretty good still. So I went by this really, went with the same measurements and stuff, so I say apart from that bit up here on the other side it's not too bad. So right, let's go around here and crack on with doing all this bit now. Just going to get all this all well spot welded in and so like I say, get this bit done and then get it all finished off. Like I say, the door closes really nice, so as you can see there, look at that, closes lovely. The gap's good at the bottom, but I mean it's got a new seal on it, so not going to be too bad. So right, so let's crack on. So there you go, all finished off. Really pleased with it. As you can see up there, come up really well here. Managed to get it all tucked in there, got the shape right there. Yeah, I'm happy with it. That's really good. So that's all in. I can't really have done this bit up here as well. It's all nice in there. Rebuilt this little bit on the corner there. But yeah, it's good. I'm happy with it. I've also got to put this back on. If I can show you. I'm trying to get the other bit over. So that bit goes back on there. I've got to obviously bend this all back out and get this all nice and cleaned up. But that sort of goes on there, just to give you an idea. Then that bit stays there. And then that bit goes over the top. Well, I'm going to drop it. That's gone. Nope, that's gone. I've got it. Anyway, yeah, to give you an idea, that goes on like that. So I'm going to get these bits all cleaned up now and get this all like straightened out, all these little bits and pieces, and then we can sort of spot weld this back onto this bit here. So that's the plan next. So I'll get some of this in primer, and then we'll go from there. Right, let's carry on. So there you go, all welded back on. Come up really nice, as you can see there. I'm really pleased with it. That's all the strengthening bit back into that post, so that's all good and done. I put some sealant in here, down here and underneath up there, so it's all sealed behind there, so I haven't got to worry about that now. It's all done. Both sides are obviously weld through primered, so there shouldn't be any problem about rotting again. So this is what I did off camera. These holes here, I had to weld up on this panel, so this other bit on this outer side could weld back on. But yeah, I'm pleased with it. So I think that's it. So that is the end of the video. Thanks for coming back. I'm glad I got that A-pillar done and got them panels all back on. It did take me a while off camera, but I got there. It's done. That's sorted. I'm not sure what I'm going to do about the other side yet. I'm probably going to cut a little hole out and see where rust it is inside, and then we'll go from there to sell what we're going to do, repair it or replace that panel as well. And yeah, we'll see. So hopefully the next video we'll have the VAD here, so I can crack on and get that front end done. Big shout out to Dave for buying me some cups of coffee on Buy Me a Coffee. Very much appreciated. Like and subscribe, and if you haven't already, get yourself involved, and I'll see you next time.